Hi, Steve, WhichI'llFixIt.com. What we have here is a tape joint. It would be considered a butt joint. And a lot of people have trouble mudding these. And what I'm going to do is turn the camera around and show you how to give this a top coat. There's just nothing difficult about it. You just got to do it like you know what you're doing. I'll turn the camera around. So this joint's what I'm talking about here. So you're obviously higher in the middle because it's been taped. So what you want to do is you want to widen it out to both sides. So this here is a 10-inch knife, and you just simply run the high side or the low side, doesn't matter. Clean a little bit of mud off your knife there like that, and then you run this side. And what it's doing is it's filling the area between here and the wall. So then come back on the top, then go to the top side again, and then go to the lower side. And then if it leaves a little ridge like this, we'll just hit it again. It'll smooth right back in. And minimal sanding. It's just an easy way to do it. Look for more videos at Wichita Fix It on YouTube. Ring the bell. Do all those things. I appreciate all the subscribers. You'll get yourself a nice looking wall like this. Thank you for all the views. Steve, Wichita Fix It on YouTube.